Welcome. In this video, I'm going to go over how to sketch a three-dimensional vector valued function. So in the last one, we had a two-dimensional vector valued function and we used a table, and we can do the same here. We can also use what we already know. What I mean is, let's rewrite this. And let's rewrite this as 2 comma negative 1 comma 3 plus t times negative 4, 5, 1. So all I did was take these components that are not multiplied to t, and we know that our curve has to pass through this point. And we also know that everything multiplied to t, that gives us its direction, so it has to be parallel to this vector. Okay, with that, let's go ahead and sketch our three-dimensional coordinate axes. All right, so I have a sketch here of my three-dimensional coordinate axes, and I chose an unfortunate color for this. Let's not choose blue since we already have blue on our axes. There we are. So let's find the point 2, negative 1, 3. So that means we go 1, 2 along the x-axis. Along the y-axis, we go to negative 1 here. Now let's move vertically along the z-axis. And there we are. There is our box. And I can go ahead and sketch my point right there. This is the point 2, negative 1, 3. Okay, I'm going to sketch the vector negative 4, 5, 1. So for that, I need just one more little dash here. This is negative 4. And that's if we go along our x-axis. Along our y-axis, we go here to 5. And then we go up 1 vertically here. So this is the vector, negative 4, comma 5, comma 1. And so we want the line passing through this point that's parallel to this vector. If you're using paper, I would get a ruler. And this is what I mean. If this is your ruler here, I would move it so it is parallel with this vector. Mine is not right now. So if you're on paper, get a ruler here. And once you have these parallel, just go ahead and move your ruler right there. And then you can trace your line and it will be parallel. For those of you using technology, you can just copy and paste. And you'll indeed get a line that is parallel. So this is the line we'd like, and I'm just going to change its color so it doesn't match the same color as our vector, so I'll make it pink. There we are. So that is a sketch of R of t. Now, before I close out this video, I'm going to go ahead and draw in these direction marks. So this is the direction that our vectors are traveling. So as you're tracing this out, if you were using a table, as we did in the last example, the vectors would go in this direction, and our curve travels in this direction. I hope you found this video useful.